My name is Lutya and welcome to my channel. So a few weeks ago I filmed a video and it included my shea butter mix, and somebody asked me, oh, how do you mix that? So I figured, let me film a video on how to mix it. I'll show you how I mix my shea butter mix. It's a hair and body butter mix. The one I'm going to show you today is what I use on my body and my hair, so you can use it. Yeah, and it's really nice and fluffy, and a little bit goes a long way, as you can see, and it makes your skin feel so soft. I use it on my body but not on my face. But if you have really nice skin that's not like sensitive and stuff, then you can use it on your face. But I found out very quickly that for me this is too heavy for my face, because like I break out very easily. So if you're wondering how I mix this, it's a body moisturizer and a hair moisturizer. It makes my hair feel so soft. I'm not sure if it's the oils I put in or just the shea butter. Either way, keep on watching. So what you're gonna need is a bowl to mix in, a fork, and a spoon. Shea butter. I'm not using that much today because I don't want to mix a lot. Lavender oil. I'm not gonna be using it in this video, but then it has a really nice smell. This is a mixture of olive oil and sweet almond oil, but first let's start with the olive oil. Benefits of olive oil include the fact that it strengthens and shines your hair. It contains vitamins E, A, and antioxidants. It protects your hair, and it allegedly has anti-aging antioxidants. I'm not sure about how true that is, but okay, whatever. And then let's get into sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is gentle on your skin. It contains vitamins A, B1 and B6. Apparently it promotes hair growth. Peppermint oil. This is my smell good oil, for my favorite smell good oil. Its benefits include the fact that it relieves itchiness. That's why I bought it actually. I use it on my scalp mainly, but not alone. I mix it with other oils. It promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and it relieves pain. Castor oil. My scalp really doesn't like castor oil, but I've heard a lot of people love it. Its benefits include it's a powerful laxative. I had to include this one. Y'all know it's a powerful laxative. Yeah, the rest of the benefits are listed in the video. Coconut oil. I'm not going to be using coconut oil in this video, but I usually use it when mixing a body oil. This is I decided to list the benefits on the screen. It does penetrate the hair. I don't want to lie, but my hair really does not love coconut oil, but my skin does. Now let's get into it. You're gonna take your shea butter. This is the sweet almond and olive oil mixture. What I do is I usually take like a full spoon of it for half a cup of shea butter, but now I'm using less than half a cup of shea butter because I already have some that I mixed before. So I use about half a spoon of this mixture, and I just pour it into the shea butter, into the bowl with the shea butter. And then I take some peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has this dropper. It comes out with this dropper. So you could just drop it directly into the shea butter. But what I do is I drop it into the spoon so that I see what I'm doing. I drop just a few drops because this is like 100% peppermint oil. It's very concentrated, so you don't need that much. And then the black Jamaican castor oil, Jamaican black Jamaican, whatever. It's the castor oil. So I take around about a spoon of this because I usually use 2 spoonfuls for half a cup of shea butter. Remember, this is not going on my scalp, it's going just on the hair. And then what you do is you just mix it all together. And you just beat it. Beat it. You can use a whisk, or I don't know what else people use, but then I feel like for me the fork works just fine, and it makes my shea butter mix really fluffy, and as you can see, it's really fluffy, and it just melts in your hands. Really, it feels really good. And then what I do is I take, like I said, I already had some that I had mixed before. So what I do is I take what is left in that, everything that I just mixed in the bowl, and I just take a spoon and I transfer it into the console jar. You could have 2 different console jars if you want, just if you like different oils for your hair and your body, but for me I use similar oils for my hair and body. It feels really good, and it's very moisturizing. Just to show you how it looks, really fluffy, and it's just really nice. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching until the end. So do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and after you're done, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. Like, share, comment, subscribe,